How to use Printful with Amazon, Amazon plus Printful dropshipping. Hello everyone, welcome back to this new video of mine, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can use Printful with Amazon for Printful dropshipping in the easiest, most simplest way possible. And this will help you skyrocket when it comes to your dropshipping sales, and it will really help you with getting the best profit out of the work you do. And the thing is, the work isn't even that difficult. The work is pretty standard, and I'm going to be walking you through all the steps on how you're going to do it in the easiest way possible. So, yeah, please do make sure to fully watch this video till the end, and we're all going to be good to go. So, to start things off, the first thing that you are going to be needing to do is you're going to come over to your Amazon and you're going to come over to your Printful. Okay. Now, basically, once you're on both of these, you're also going to go to Amazon. Okay, you're going to go in Amazon. You're going to write sellers. Okay, you're not going to go to Sellers Central. Okay, where that is not somewhere we want to go to Amazon sellers, or in some cases, it could be Amazon vendors. Okay, and there we go. Amazon Vendor Central. That is the place we want to go to. So, obviously, for this, you're going to need to sign up or you're going to need to log into your page. And the fun thing about the Sellers Central, or you could say the Vendor Central, is over here is where you're going to be, selling things. And in our case, dropshipping. So you can also write sell on Amazon. So once you do all of this, basically, here it's going to say build your e-commerce business, which is exactly what we want to do. So to do this, it says $39.99 a month plus selling fees is required to sell on Amazon. Okay. So do keep that in mind. But by keeping that in mind, just go ahead, click on sign up. The sign up process is really simple. It's really straightforward. Just goes through the whole list. It scours through everything. So just go ahead, add your email, then, just add any random password. And if you don't have that, you can always just go ahead and create an Amazon account real quick. It's really simple. And let's say I'm going to come here and we are going to be adding our email. Then we have our password. And once you add your email and password from there on out, what's going to happen is that it's going to take you to a few steps that you're also going to want to have to fulfill. And then it also asks for authorization on your account. So you're going to make sure to go ahead and authorize that as well, because that is also a pretty important place to start off with. Just go ahead and, tell them the things that they want to go ahead with. So here it says pick the dice pair with the same icon facing up. So I'm just going to fulfill this and get right back. Now, once you've created an account on, Amazon's Seller Central, and again, I'm not going to talk about Seller Central. I keep saying Seller Central, but Seller Central is Amazon's affiliation. Okay, we're not talking about that. I'm talking about selling on Amazon, and by that I mean selling the actual products that we make, not, affiliating. So once we become a seller on Amazon, what we're going to want to do is we're going to head over to Printify from there. And once you're into Printify, obviously the whole interface of Printify is pretty fun to look around in. So here you can see, products, sell with Printful, design creation, etc., etc. So first of all, what you're going to need to do is you're going to choose if you're selling online and ordering for yourself. So obviously we're selling online to grow our e-commerce brand. So to do that, obviously it says to sign up. Now we're going to go ahead and sign up with our email. And when it comes to signing up with our email, this Printful has a pretty quicker process than Amazon. So I'm just going to go through it real quick. You're going to agree to the terms, whatever terms they ask you of. And once you do that, here it says, what's your main goal in using Printful? It could be selling online, ordering for yourself, etc. It's selling online for me. Here it says, what describes your business the best? I'm going to go with artist. How many fans do you have on your largest social media? I'm going to go with 150K. How many e-commerce orders do you get? I'm going to go 0 to 50. I'm going to go with clothing in this case. And once you do that, it's going to optimize Printful according to the things you have entered. It's also going to send you a confirmation email. So just go ahead and make sure to confirm your email address. And once you do that, from there on out, what's going to happen is that you're going to have a proper Printful account to run and access from. But yeah, once you're here in Printful, what you're going to do is you're going to go over to stores, okay, to connect your actual drop shipping. And once you go to stores over here, you're going to go ahead and click on choose platform. And once you go ahead and choose platform, what you're going to do from here, you're going to scroll down where it says Amazon Marketplace. You get a lot of these over here, but we want to dropship with Amazon. So obviously it gives us the Amazon Marketplace. So you're going to click on connect. And here it says a few things. Register for an Amazon Seller Central account that we did over here. Okay, then important things to know. To connect to Amazon to Printful, you'll need an Amazon professional plan for the $39.99. Okay, so that is one downside to all of this. You are going to have to pay $40 for an Amazon plan. Without that, this is not going to work for you. And then moving on, if you sell under your own brand, Amazon requires you to submit real life product photos to get your GTIN, which is your global trade item number exemption. Okay, moving on, you have the second step, choose the Amazon regions you want to sell on. Now, you have to authorize them right here. Either you're going to send in North America or in Europe. Now, that depends on whatever you want to go with, whatever is closer to you or whatever is more convenient for you, what currency works best for you, that's where you sell. And once you set all of that up, you're going to set up your brand name and GTIN. And then finally, add and sync your products. And once you do that, basically what's going to happen is once you've authorized everything with your Seller Essential, that is how you're going to connect your Printful to your Amazon. And that is how simple and easy it is to do so. Now, one more fun thing about it is that Printful allows you to, create these different, you could say, levels of products. By level of products, actually, I mean that the type of products that you can create on Printful is also pretty terrific. So if I were to open this up and we go in product catalog, when it comes to drop shipping, you can really increase the height and number of your sales. Why? Because of the amount of different things you have. You have shirts, you have, undergarments, you have these sweatshirts to sell, hoodies, hats, accessories, home and living, and a whole lot more. And you make great profits off of these things. So, really incredible stuff. And what's even fun is you have tech accessories, embroideries, products, special offers, home decor. So, it's really fun stuff and really great stuff when it comes to your sales and your product profits. So I would 100% recommend users to start using Printful because of its vast amount of features and really terrific working environment. So yeah, that's pretty much about it for this video. Now, if you enjoyed watching, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, please do make sure to let me know down in the comments below and I will be making more for you. But yeah, that's pretty much about it for this video. Thank you for watching till the end, and I will be seeing all of you incredible people in the next video. And yeah, before going off, do let me tell you this, that while you're on Printful, do make sure that the products you make are not copyrighted, because obviously Amazon's pretty, you could say, hefty on copyright. They don't exactly the copyright things because, it's Amazon. So do make sure that there's no copyright, there's nothing copied off. You can, cross check it with Amazon multiple times. And once you've done that, yeah, then that is when you will, give the green light to your product. Yeah, that's pretty much about it though. Thank you for watching this video till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.